What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Mophie Juice Pack Access Case for the iPhone XS Max. Now, this case right here is a battery case, and what makes it super duper special is it actually doesn't block the phone's lightning port at all. It actually charges the iPhone wirelessly, meaning that, guess what, you can still use that lightning port to listen to music with your wired lightning headphones. So that's pretty cool, and without further ado, let's get this bad boy out of the box. Ooh. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Mophie Juice Pack Access on the front. There's a picture of the case right here. And yeah, it says 31 hours of battery right there, iPhone XS Max right there, wireless charging. Who doesn't love wireless charging? I know I do. So now flip it over here on the back. Here's a picture of what I was talking about, someone plugging these lightning ear pods into the phone and then listening to music with a battery case on. So that's pretty cool. Right here it says 81 hours of music playback, 31 hours of talk time, 18 hours of video playback, and 16 hours of web browsing. That's a lot of hours there, folks. And yeah, this case right here, it's going to set you back about $100, which is actually cheaper than Apple's smart battery case for the iPhone XS Max. If you're curious, that case is about $130. And yeah, without further ado, let's open this up, baby. So here it is. Wow, Mophie right there. And let's pop this bad boy out. And yeah, so right here, here's the case. We can just take this out. And wow, look at that. It's got a little hump right there on the back. And right here, it's got a little wireless charging little drawing that indicates that I can wireless charge. It says Mophie right here. Right here is a USB-C port, actually, which you can use to charge the case. And you can also charge the case by plopping it down on a wireless charger, which would wirelessly charge this case, which in turn would wirelessly charge your phone, which is kind of crazy. That's a lot of wireless charging right there. And yeah, we can put this to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. Right here, folks, we got this cable right here. This is a USB to USB-C cable. You can obviously use this to charge up that case. And right here it says stay powerful. What is this? A little bit of paperwork. Yup. And yeah, it says Mophie loves you right there. Well, Big Daddy loves you back. So yeah, that's all that's in the box. Now let's get a closer look at this case and put it on my iPhone. So to do that, first thing we're going to want to do actually is slide the top of this case off just like that. And now we can slide the iPhone right in. Before we do that, as you can see, we can take a closer look at the case right here. We've got the volume buttons, obviously. We've got that side button right there. And also we've got a little cutout for accessing the mute switch on your iPhone. Very important to have that, obviously. And then right here, this whole bottom part is obviously a cutout so you can access that lightning port uninterrupted. So let's pop my iPhone in, baby. So here we go, bottom half of the case right here, iPhone XS Max right here. Just slide it nice and in. And then here's the top part of the case. We can just slide that right on there just like that. And it's on now. Next up, to turn on this case, all you got to do is come over here to this little button on the back and hold it down until these indicator lights actually start doing this little weird motion right here. And if you come around to the other side of the phone, as you can see, now it is charging. So, just like that, folks, now you guys have seen the Mophie Juice Pack Access in action on my iPhone XS Max. Pretty cool indeed. If you look at the bottom of this case, actually, it's definitely a very interesting look with that lightning port and USB-C port right next to each other. It almost looks like you have two phones stacked on top of one another. So that is definitely interesting. And yeah, so now a few first impressions of this case. It's got a very smooth feel to it. Obviously, since it's a battery case, it does add a bit of extra bulk and weight to the phone. Nothing that is really going to ruin the experience, at least in my opinion, with this first impression. Actually, even though the case is, very smooth, might add a bit of slipperiness to it. At least the bump in the back actually is something you can sort of like grip onto, you can hold onto, which I think is kind of nice. And also the buttons. The buttons on this case, those volume buttons, the power button, they're very easy to press, very nice. You can just press them. They're not super tactile, super hard. Like on some cases, it's super hard to push the buttons. I don't like that. So that's definitely very nice. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. I do read all the comments, by the way. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and Big Daddy Shane will love you. Lots of cool technology videos here, folks. You're going to love it. Thank you guys so much once again for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the mophie Juice Pack Access battery case for none other than the iPhone XS Max. Ooh.